apple,
An apple.
Yay!
A apple? That doesn't sound right. But an apple? That's the one. Let's practice using the golden rule. It's all about the sound, not the letter. Let's be honest. Most grammar videos throw rules at you and expect you to remember them, but they forget to teach the why. In the last video, we cracked the real secret behind using a and an. It's not about letters, it's about sounds. Now it's time to put that rule into action. If you're learning something new, hit that like and subscribe. Elephant. Elephant starts with the e sound. That's a vowel sound. So we say an elephant. Ice cream. Now ice cream starts with the I sound, a clear vowel sound, so we say an ice cream. Sailboat starts with a S sound. That's the consonant sound, so we say a sailboat. Bag begins with a B sound, so we say a bag. Ostrich begins with the O sound. That's the vowel sound, so we say an ostrich. Igloo starts with the I sound. That's a vowel sound, so we say an igloo.
Wow!
Did this help you understand when to use a and an? Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun lessons with me, Joe. Don't forget to watch our next video, Top 5 Mistakes Kids Make with a and an how to fix them. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a fun lesson. Join the Learning is Fun family by subscribing now.